Mo ha?
So here we are. Do not
Lapit,
try
lapit mo.
this at home. Professionals only.
Lapit-lapit mo.
So
Yan.
what is the best grease? Will it
Oh,
melt?
nawala yung sa focus. Nawala sa focus. Akan ako.
Professionals only can try this. Okay. This one would melt. Oh no. Try to slow down.
Ay, nawala na pala yung apoy.
Then we'll replay. Replay. Okay, here we go. One
Here we
more.
go.
Which one would melt between two greases? National versus Kingling. I know you win. Whoever won.
Oh, look.
So,
Tama yung
thank-
Kingling. It's getting, magiging water na siya.
So thank you for 1 million subscribers. And thanks for all of your
Ayun natin naman.
in video.
Yung Kingling, nakukuk na siya. Pero yung National, hindi pa. It's good.
Because National is the winner.
Yung National, matagal makook. Oh, tinapat ko na. Pero yung Kingling, nagwater na.
So what is the best? Who melts? Whoever melts is gay.
Tapat natin yung apoy sa National. Ayan. Tapat natin yung apoy sa National.
National would never. Hey, I can see
Hindi pa rin siya namemelt.
Namemelt na. So
Pero yung Kingling, namemelt na.
Kingling is now going to melt. But National
Ayun, saka lang siya nagmelt. Pero yung Kingling,
said
tubig na
National
agad. Ang galing.